Hi, everybody, and welcome to discussion question 2 of week 1, which deals with the development of science, which I think is really one of the more fascinating aspects of the discussion this week. Again, there are 3 components to it, so please address, as I mentioned before, all 3 aspects of the question in your initial posting. Again, that's going to be 3 paragraphs for your first posting to do it effectively. So it says, the first one, consider that science is concerned with what is measurable, observable, and contrast that to what society is concerned with. And then identify a specific discovery and explain its impact. And there are any number of fascinating discoveries that occurred between the 1400s and the 1600s that you could talk about. Describe what discovery or invention you believe had the most impact on society today. Choose any one you want. If I were doing it, I would probably have picked Galileo's telescope, and so I would have described that. And then, more importantly, describe why I think it had an impact on today. And I would have argued that the development of the telescope was fundamentally a really important invention, primarily because of what happened as a result of that. Galileo's telescope allowed for actual proof of Copernicus's interpretation of the solar system. In fact, the sun and not the earth was the center of the solar system, which contradicted church doctrine at the time. And so really the invention of the telescope predicated that first collision between religion and science, which is a running theme in Western civilization ever since. And I would have discussed that, okay? And then it says, describe a specific aspect of a particular painting by Vermeer or Rembrandt that demonstrates one of the primary characteristics of the new science, which is observation. You can take a look at any of the paintings, and again, there's many of them listed in the book, or you can just Google paintings by Vermeer or Rembrandt, and what we're really looking at is choose a painting and talk about how they are using observation. Now, Rembrandt does a number of ones, especially medical ones, where people are doing a medical, like almost a dissection of a cadaver kind of thing, or a medical procedure, which is very scientific. Vermeer, on the other hand, who didn't paint a lot, actually, kind of a really fascinating guy to learn about, you see observation of everyday details. And really the essence of the science of observation is made up of nothing but that, just observing that which is measurable. And you see that a lot in Vermeer's work as well. So take a good look at that, and I look forward to your postings this week. Good luck. Bye-bye.